traffic, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
And while we're getting a break from the severe winter weather on this Valentine's Day, we still had to have a few flakes flying across southwest lower Michigan. That's exactly what you see right now on Storm Track Live Radar as the radar does scan the skies. We have a west-northwesterly wind, so still enough open water on Lake Michigan to produce a few light snow showers, but much of this is not nearly as bad as it looks. Just some light snow reported in a few locations along the Lake Michigan shoreline from Fruitport to Nunica into the Allendale location, Grand Valley State University. Perhaps an occasional flake or two falling in that location. Taking M21 east through Ionia into the Saranac area, could see a couple of scattered snow showers there. Same thing for Hastings. And notice even when we get to the second and third shades of blue, my observation still showing in most cases just flurries or light snow. And we're going to continue to see generally calm conditions as we head through the weekend. Should be a great weekend for winter sports. You'll still need to bundle up. Temps will be in the 20s, but no significant snow, wind issues, no real travel problems, especially compared to what we have had. That could change here on Monday. We do have a system moving through. It'll produce several inches of snow. Looks like 2 to 3 inches of snow widespread. It'll be of the heavy, wet snow, though, with temps near the freezing mark. Perhaps just warm enough near and south of Interstate 94 to see a little bit of a mix. This occurs on Monday. Now, it's going to be a close call for the morning commute. At this point, plan on that morning commute taking you a little bit of extra time, and certainly that evening commute. So even if you avoid the problems early, you'll likely see them later on in the day. But we clear this system out and temps start to warm up. We're talking about several days next week. This isn't a typo, folks. At or above 40 degrees. And yes, that says rain, not snow. We're forecasting rain for the middle to tail end portion of next week. Current air temp 24 in Grand Rapids, 23 in Fremont. Lake Michigan still saving us from the brunt of the cold air. 7 in Ironwood, 3 degrees now in Duluth. We do have to factor in the wind, 10 to 20 miles an hour as we head through today. And that brings our wind chills into the teens. Not too bad compared to what we have had, but still a little uncomfortable if you're not dressed appropriately for that colder weather. Here's the Futurecast. Starts at 5 o'clock. Maybe you have Valentine's plans this evening, or perhaps heading out to a hockey game or something like that. You see the dry conditions continuing, perhaps some breaks in the cloud cover as we head through the overnight hours. We'll stop this at 8 o'clock. Perhaps you're traveling out and about to some of those tournaments early on a Saturday morning. I don't anticipate any significant weather-related issues on the roads. Clouds do increase through the day, and we'll see some light snow move in Saturday night into very early Sunday morning. Shouldn't be a lot in the way of snow here, a ½ inch, perhaps an inch in some areas. We dry things out Sunday. There's the storm system for Monday, and you see the temperatures, I mean, warmer. Enough said there, right? And
that's right.
If you tune in tonight at 5 o'clock, Chief Meteorologist Bill Stefan will be pouring over the latest data that comes in after the noon show and before the 5. He'll put that together, and we'll be talking that temperature trend will be a big story.
Yeah, it will. we need that break.
We're not going to know what to do with ourselves when it's 45
so.
degrees.
You're going to see everybody outside.
Right.
Okay, thanks, Laura.